Hi everybody, this is Ashraf Yasmin from Department of Computer Science and Engineering, working as Associate Professor. So my subject code is Video Creation and Editing, CCS371. So let me see about what are the course objectives of this VCE, Video Creation and Editing. It is mostly to introduce the broad perspective of linear and non-linear editing. So to understand the concepts of storytelling concepts and digital images or likewise, to be familiar with the audio and video recording, to apply different media tools, and to learn and understand the concept of Avid Express TV. That's a software. The students may be know about this Avid Express. Next is the video creation and editing, having some unit-wise topics. The fundamentals, unit 1, fundamentals of VCE. Unit 2 is storytelling. Third is unit 3 is using audio and video, and unit 5 working with the Final Cut Pro, and unit 5 is working with the Avid Express DV4. And next is we have about the introduction. So video creation, what do you mean by video creation? The video creation is nothing but getting a reference of process, a planning, capturing the video and make into a planning process, recording and producing video and make into a film process. There are some of the types are here. So pre-production, production and post-production. So what is the pre-production here is, it is include the script writing, storyboarding, planning the shoots and gathering unnecessary resources whenever it needed, we come put into the pre-production. Second is production. So when it is in the middleware, so in the middleware the video footage make into a cinemas, cameras and lightings, fitting audio equipments and make the footage. And last one is post-production. So post-production in editing, make into a refilling the footage into a final product. Okay, next is, this is the video creation and how to edit it. So when we capture the video, so we have to edit it. So in what way we went editing the videos? So video editing is the process of manipulating, rearranging videos, clips, audios and visual effects. We put in together. So right is cutting and trimming. If you wanted unwanted scenes are there, so we can make into a cutting. Okay, we can crop it. Next is transition. So smoothly shifting between scenes and adding effects, filters we can add it, animation we can effects, we can add sound effects, we can add, and likewise audio editing, enhancing the sound, adding music, synchronizing dialogues in their video footage. Likewise a color, if you want to update any color and digitalize colors, adjusting brightness, then when the contracts, making it a contracts, it can make a more effects in the video. So this is video editing. Next, tool for video editing. What are the tools is implemented and used in for editing process? So some of the popular video is this, beginner friendly and professionals. Beginner friendly, the friendly users, a normal person can handle it. So like iMovie, CapCut, Filmora. So these are the softwares you can handle easily, so user friendly also. Whereas in the professional, so it is the Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro and DaVinci has a very softwares, and these are licensed softwares. We have to pay for it and we can upgrade at it. Okay, next is, while taking editing the video, the ethics should be there. So this ethics means accuracy and truthfulness, transparency. Okay, about the subject, about the video, it should be transparent. Okay, transparent, it help maintain the trust of audience. Then cultural sensitivity should be there. So it should be mindful of cultural differences and sensitiveness when editing the content. Intellectual property rights, this is intellectual property right, the editor should always have aware of it about the patents, so his story cannot be stolen. The next is respect for subjects. Subjects, this is editing a footage features individuals or communities, the editor should be there. Okay, respect for each and subjects. So these are prioritize is given in while editing a video, and these should be ethics following. Next is types of digital storytelling. So we go for a digital storytelling. Next is the video storytelling, is there interactive storytelling, social media storytelling, broadcast storytelling and data storytelling are some of the types are there. So video storytelling is nothing when day to day we go through this YouTube's short films. So these are called as a video. Interactive means websites, e-learning process. From the websites we can search and learn it from it. So these are the interactive. And social media storytelling, it's a brand narrative through Instagram stories and Twitter threads. Twitter is a broadcast storytelling. For example, Alexa, and everyone is in everyone home they're having Alexa. Alexa, if you want to search something or tell something, it describe the stories. Okay, describe and interact with the person. And next is data storytelling. It is in the form of reports and documentation. So these are the types of digital storytelling. Okay, next is these are the capture the images is presented here. So this is before images and after images. This is called as a embroidery images. Okay. So next is evolution of filmmaking. Evolution of filmmaking has many centuries in 1990s, which was then in 2000 and 2010 evolutionary. So how it differs in each revolution areas. In silent era, that means the last 19th century, okay, the film has no synchronized sound, then short and experiment use of visual storytelling, title cards, and a very low category of films have been distributed. Okay, next is the 2000. It is called the digital revolution. Then only the CGI, the computer graphical interfaces, has been introduced for making a films. So for example, Jurassic Park, Avatar, these are the films which is digitalized. Okay, next is immersive technology. In 2000, about 2010, so it is immersive technologies implemented in the filmmaking. For example, AR, VR, so actual augmented reality and virtual reality. So these are the implemented interactive and 360-degree of capturing the video. 360-degree of the videos has come interacted with the degrees and enhance the audience immersions. It be implemented in the 2010 after. Next is linear editing. Now the concept is linear editing. The main video editing are classified into two. So linear editing and non-linear editing. So what is the linear editing? Is a transitional method, very traditional method we can say. Is it is once edited changes are difficult changes. If you want to change make any changes, it will be very difficult. So what is the benefit of this video editing? Linear video, it is inexpensive. So before that we have used the camcorder. So devices we have used to capture the videos. Okay, so benefits can be done directly or camera or through mobile devices. It can be limitation of linear, that means mistakes require re-editing entire sequences or time consuming a long for it, and less creative freedom, and cannot easily rearrange the clippings. So these are the disadvantages in linear editing. Non-linear editing is nothing, is quite different from that. So it is media can be accessed, and software's wide area softwares we can implement it, and storage cloud computing we are used for here for storage purpose. The original files remains unchanged, and having it is used for multi-track editing, and popular NLE softwares we implemented for NLE softwares has been implemented. So multi-track means a layering, composing possibilities is there. Complex editing has been done in this, and popular NLE software means, for example, Adobe Premiere, so Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve. So these are the popular softwares implemented in the non-linear. Okay, next is the best videos editors capturing the that some pictures are here. It is available there. So best non-linear editor pictures is available here. And the most probably the risk associated with the editing means what is a misrepresentation will happen, and ethical concern is very important. If it is missing means that will be loss for it. Impact on public perceptions, loss of authenticity, so anyone can stolen a story and they taken it. So legal issues will be there. So use in advertising, misleading product representation also, so false expectation be among the customers. So these are the risks will be made in through the editing. So next is capturing of digital and analog videos. Next, analog videos is nothing but, so that is capture effort process, just converting continuous analog video signals, such as VH tapes, older camcorder, so television broadcasting. This type of devices is implemented for analog capturing of videos. But what challenges is facing is signal degradations, noise interference will be there. So in olden, for example, in olden films have more noise imitations are there. So, but in compared to this digital video capture, it is a process of recording and storing video in digital format directly from the digital source itself. By using the high definition multimedia interfaces we are using for digital capturing. So, higher quality. What are the advantages here? It is higher quality, easy editing, and minimal signal losses will be there. And the references maybe is Avid Express, user guide is there, Final Cut Pro, manual is there, and Keith Anderson is the reference of it. Okay, thank you for watching everybody. Thank you.